Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to discuss chapter 5 Friction. Friction means घर्षण in Hindi. Friction means घर्षण in Hindi. So let us start. It is a matter of common experience that when we roll a ball along the ground, the ball does not continue to keep on moving for long. When we roll a ball along the ground, the ball does not continue to keep on moving for long. It slows down and finally comes to rest. Now consider some different situation. When we are riding a bicycle and after attaining a good speed, we stop pedaling. The bicycle would be seen to gradually slow down and would stop after covering a certain distance. To make it move with a constant speed, even along a straight level road, we have to keep on pedaling it. आप एक बॉल को ग्राउंड पर रोल कर दो, आफ्टर सम टाइम इट स्लोज डाउन एंड फाइनली कम्स टू रेस्ट. थोड़ी देर के बाद ये रुक जाता है. जब हम साइकिल चलाते हैं, व्हेन बी पेडलिंग राइडिंग ए साइकिल, आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन वी स्टॉप पेडलिंग, आफ्टर सम टाइम द बाइसिकल वुड बी सीन टू ग्रेजुअली स्लो डाउन. थोड़ी देर के बाद साइकिल रुक जाता है. व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? रुकने का क्या कारण है? दैट इज द फ्रिक्शन. टू मेक इट मूव विथ ए कॉन्स्टेंट स्पीड इवन अलोंग ए स्ट्रेट लेवल रोड, वी हैव टू कीप ऑन पेडलिंग इट. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि ये कंटिन्यू चलता रहे तो हमें पेडलिंग करना पड़ेगा, साइकिल पर पेडलिंग करता रहना पड़ेगा. इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर वी लर्नड, प्रीवियस चैप्टर फोर्स एंड प्रेशर एज वी डिस्कस्ड. In this chapter, we learned that we need an external force to change the speed or direction of motion of an object that may be initially at rest or in motion. In the previous chapter, force and pressure, what is the effect of force? An external force to change the speed, direction, shape and size, etc. Why do objects like the rolled out ball or the moving bicycle slow down and finally come to rest after the force acting on them? जब हम फोर्स लगाना बंद कर देते हैं साइकिल पर तो वो रुक क्यों जाता है? Why does not the object keep on moving with constant speed along its straight path after the removal of the applied force? The reason behind it, once again, friction, घर्षण, the friction applied between road and bicycle, the wheel of the bicycle. In terms of our ideas, daily ideas, day-to-day experience about the effect of force, we can now realize that there must be a force between the rolling ball or the moving bicycle and the ground. There must be a force between the rolling ball and the ground. We call this force as the force of friction. This force opposes, रुकावट डालता है. The force opposes any relative motion between two objects that are in contact with each other. It is due to the friction. It is due to the friction. Friction between the ground and the surface of the ball, wheel of the bicycle, that the rolling ball, moving bicycle stops. Due to friction, rolling ball stops, bicycle stops after moving some distance, after covering some distance, when the externally applied force has been removed. Due to friction, it stops. Above observation shows that it is clear from the above observation that force of friction is also a contact force. Road and wheel of bicycle is in contact. Therefore, we can say that the force of friction between ground and bicycle is a contact force. So we can now say that whenever an object moves or tends to move over the surface of another object, there is a force acting between two surfaces in contact. We call this force as force of friction, or simply friction. We also understand that this force is contact force and always opposes or tends to oppose any relative motion between the two surfaces in contact. The force of friction is always directed along the surfaces in contact. That means it acts along the tangential direction. So we can say in nutshell, what is friction? Whenever an object moves or tends to move, whenever an object moves or tends to move over the surface of another object, means one object, bicycle, and another object, road, ground, an opposing force comes into play. An opposing force comes into play between ground and wheel of the bicycle, ball, etc. This force acts, this force, opposing force, this force acts parallel to the surface of contact. क्योंकि साइकिल ग्राउंड पर चलती है तो पैरेलल टू द सरफेस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट एंड opposes any relative motion between the object and the surface. Parallel to the surface means tangential direction. साइकिल आगे बढ़ रही है और फ्रिक्शन पीछे की ओर लग रहा है. This opposing force is called force of friction, or simply we can say friction. You can see this is an object. This is an object, a ball, a bicycle, etc. For understanding purpose, it is an object and a person applied a force in the forward direction. That is called direction of motion. Here you can see this is the ground. Object moves forward, but friction always in opposite direction of force of friction, opposite direction. This opposing force is called force of friction, or simply friction.